Hey everyone, Zach here with Gustafsson Plastics. We want to do a video to show our windshields for the Spyder RT, the standard options that we've got. But of course, we make everything to order, so we really can make a windshield any height you want specifically. So first we'll go over some of the different height options we've got. We'll do a close-up of the sport windshield we've got on here now. And then we will do a more thorough walkthrough of how to remove your stock windshield and replace it with a new Gustafsson windshield. For our standard options, we've got a stock replacement, which is 25 inches tall, and we've got a sport windshield, which is 20.5 inches tall, which is on the bike right now. And then we also do a few different touring options, some that are a little taller and some that are a little wider. What we've got right here is the sport windshield. This is our most popular so far because a lot of people want something shorter than stock. So the stock windshield is 25 inches measured along the center line of the material, and this sport option is 20.5, so it's 4.5 inches shorter. It still gives really good wind protection. Now I'm about 6'4", and I actually really like the sport windshield because I can look over it really easily. It looks really good on the bike as far as a sporty option, and of course with the adjustable mounts you can tilt it up if I'm going on a little longer road trip. So we're going to do a few close-ups of the windshield to kind of show you how it looks. There's nothing really too surprising just besides the different heights. And then at the end of the video, if you stay tuned, we'll show you how to take off the stock windshield and replace it. Alright, so here is the close-up of the sport windshield in dark smoke bronze. It's a little tough to see with the sun flaring on the camera, but we have to get the bike back to the customer. So I'll try to add some more pictures online. But we do the same cutouts in the front, and then the other big note on this windshield is that there's absolutely no distortion with our high-grade acrylic and no Euroflip, so you can look through even the darker tints like this one under most riding conditions. As always, we make everything to order, so give us a call or shoot us an email if you have any questions about what height you want. Or if you're ready to order and you want to do one of our standard options, you can go ahead and just order directly on our website. So the rest of the video is going to be about the installation, so feel free to stay tuned if you want to check out how to remove and install the windshield, or like I said, go ahead and check us out on our website. Thanks for watching anyways. First thing we're going to do is remove these back covers with some bolts on the back. And then the cover will start to come out, and I got to push it so you can see the screw, and then you can unthread the rest by hand. And when you're taking this off, you want to take the front out first and then slide the whole thing down. So tilt it out first and bring it down so that you can remove that safely. Set this aside, and then we'll go ahead and do it on the other side. Lift it out and then down. Alright, so then you've got the outer covers off. We can take off the windshield. And if you haven't done this before, the bolts are going to be extremely tight. So I actually had to use a ratchet the first time. Once you take it on and off a few times, and the Loctite loosens up. So I like to loosen all of them up almost all the way. Alright, and then you're free. Alright, so once you've got the windshield off, you will need to transfer over the rubber grommets and the little collars. So I just used the same bit I was using and poke out the metal collars. Make sure you're working on a flat surface where you don't lose them. Collect your rubber grommets off here. I like to fold in one side and then push it through. Once again, fold in one side and push it through there. So then we'll transfer these over to the new windshield. Now we put our holes a little bit larger to give you some wiggle room. Alright, got all those in place, and then we'll replace the metal collars. They're saying they're pretty good. You don't want to shake the windshield though, it could come out, but the rubber grommets hold them pretty good. And then you're ready to go. So we'll start with just the two top bolts, just to hold it in place. Kind of eye it up. Get one started over here. Then get the other top one started. Get a few threads on it. And then we can come back with the bottom bolt. Things all snug. You do not have to tighten them as much as those stock ones are. It was really the Loctite holding on the windshield. But those metal collars stopped at a good point that once it's tight, you can't go much tighter. So then it's ready to put back on the outer covers. And to do that, you can see it's got a little hook there, so we need to get that hook in this spot first. So start down low and then lift it up, and you'll feel it slide, and then you can drop that into that hole right there. Go from the back. So once again, you got the hook that you need to come up with first. So stick it in there, slide it up, and then the top will drop in. So I hope you found that video helpful. As always, we make all of our windshields to order, so we can really do any height or color you want. This one, once again, is a sport windshield in the dark bronze. As you can see, it looks really sharp with the white on black bike. So give us a call or shoot us an email if you have any questions or if you're ready to order. Thanks for watching.